Now question arises, why organisms follow sexual reproduction when asexual reproduction is present, which is fast? You have to think on this question, why organisms follow sexual reproduction when asexual reproduction is present, which is fast? And what is the economic importance of vegetative propagation? Next example we are going to discuss about vegetative propagation is bryophyllum. Propagate from adventitious bud present in leaf margin. This is a leaf of bryophyllum. In this leaf margin I have shown various adventitious buds. These adventitious buds, when detached from this leaf, give rise to a whole plant. Now importance of vegetative propagation. Potato, sugarcane, banana, ginger, dahlia, they are the examples of vegetative propagation. Nodes, through nodes bud is formed and bud can give rise to new plant. Now very short lifespan, easily cultivable, and you have to not wait for long duration for their life, for the season to arise. Now why organisms shift towards sexual reproduction? Why the organisms they start shifting towards the sexual reproduction? We can say why the importance of sexual reproduction arises. In lower organisms, unicellular organisms, simple plants, simple animals, asexual reproduction is present, but in adverse conditions these lower organisms they also show sexual reproduction. Now sexual reproduction, it is complex, elaborate, slow process, uniparental or it can be biparental. Gamete formation took place, gamete fusion is also there. Variation exists in the sexual reproduction, and it also defines phylogeneity. When an organism from its juvenile stage moved to the reproductive phase, there are certain hormonal changes that took place inside that particular organism. Now there are various events of sexual reproduction. What are those events? For example, female and male. Female gamete forms the gamete formation, and these female gamete and male gamete fuse and form zygote, and this zygote, further development of this zygote will lead to the new individual. The sexual events of sexual reproduction are divided into three phases, that is pre-fertilization phase, fertilization and post-fertilization. What are the events in pre-fertilization? Gamete formation and gamete transfer. The formation of gametes and the transfer of gametes. Now fertilization, that is fusion of male and female gamete, is called fertilization or syngamy. Development of zygote, and after development of zygote, post-fertilization changes takes place, which is also called as embryogenesis.